Here's some business advice that's blindingly obvious once you know it. We all have our own formal networks, and then we have our informal networks. And when I say formal, you tend to think about your business network, the people that you're connected with in a business or commercial context. But we also have these informal networks, and these are our families, our friends, the people that we love, the people that we went to school with. And when it comes to business, we tend to ignore those audiences. And we ignore those audiences because we don't want to come across as a pest. We don't want to bother our family and our friends with our commercial stuff. But here's the irony. The people in your business network don't really care whether you succeed or fail. They don't, by and large. However, when it comes to your informal networks, they have a strong desire to see you succeed. So why do you never harness the informal networks in your world? And that is because these people within your informal networks, there are potential customers and clients, and there are also advocates and champions and potential referral partners. So this guy that you can see on the screen right now is a guy called Matt Richter. And when he came into our world, he had an idea for a business, but he didn't think that he had much of a network. Indeed, he was running his business at the southern tip of Tasmania in a city called Hobart. And he didn't think that he had access to a commercial network or even a personal network. We did a couple things, and at the end of our time with Matt, he was able to book a radio interview to secure 2 marketing partnerships and 19 clients for a business that didn't even exist yet. What we did is we activated, or should I say reactivated, the informal networks, the potential commercial relationships that were already under his nose. Now, if you'd like to see how we did that, we have a process that we call the 2-week turnaround formula. And I've been thinking, how could I present this in a way that's going to be short enough for a short form medium like a TikTok or a Reel or a YouTube short? And I want to know, because if I do go and put in the effort to create a short form version of our 2-week turnaround formula, would you be interested in that? Should I do it? If there's enough interest and there's enough demand, I'll create some training which is about how to unlock your formal and informal networks. It's called our 2-week turnaround formula, and we created it for business owners that simply wanted to know how they could quickly get some cash into their business in a short period of time. If that's something that you might be interested in, leave me a comment, leave me a like, leave me a follow. If I get enough interest for this particular topic with this particular video, I'll create something a little bit longer form, a longer form video in a short form.